Hello everyone, my name is Francesco Benedetti and I am a PhD student at the University of Bari. The post that I'm presenting is titled A Synthetic Data Generator for Training Risky User Detectors in Social Networks. Social networks play an important role in our society, and keeping them a safe place is fundamental. Platforms implement AI-based strategies to detect dangerous users and content. However, training such models requires quantities of data that is becoming increasingly difficult to get. The platforms themselves charge high fees for the usage of the APIs needed to get the content. The data, moreover, lacks information about user socio-demographic features, such as ethnicity or profession, that can help increasing the accuracy of the classifiers. Lastly, privacy laws such as the GDPR restrict data usage and prevent researchers from publishing or even using datasets. Our goal with this work is to propose a strategy for how to use information coming from a real social network to generate a synthetic one. As source domain, we choose gab.com, a social network platform popular in the United States, which lacks content moderation, allowing users to post risky or hateful content without risking to being banned or blocked. The first step of the procedure is to use a scraper to get data from Gab. We retrieved 214,000 posts, 28,000 authors' profiles, and a network depicting how the users follow each other. This data is then used in different ways. Using Mistral 2.1, we estimate a distribution of the political orientation of the users based on the posts they published. We will replicate this distribution in the synthetic dataset. The network of user relations is used for evaluation purposes because we want to assess how good the LLM is at creating connections between them. Lastly, information about the user profiles, like the username or profile bio, is given as input to an uncensored LLM, in the specific case IRIX 12b, asking to create 1000 synthetic usernames and bios based on the real ones. An uncensored LLM is a large language model that whose filters have been removed, allowing it to produce hateful content or violent content, which normal LLMs wouldn't generate. Once the synthetic profile bios and usernames are obtained, the synthetic user profiles are enriched with features such as the political affiliation, replicating the distribution in the real dataset, age, profession, ethnicity, and religion. For the last two parameters, we match the distribution estimated by available statistics made on the American population. In this step, profiles with inconsistent features may be created. For example, users that are too young for the job they do, or users that mention in their profile bio a religion that is different from the one in the religion field. Therefore, the obtained profiles are manually checked to remove and fix these inconsistencies. After removing the inconsistencies, we need to create some post. We do this by adopting the persona prompting approach. It consists in providing the uncensored LLM a description of the user and asking it to impersonate that user and write 10 posts he would publish on the Gab platform. We do this step for every one of the synthetic users that have been created. Lastly, we build the network by asking the LLM to determine how the users would follow each other given the interests and opinion expressed in the posts, in the same way as people do in real social networks. Thank you for your attention.